Chili plants are one of the oldest cultivated crops in the Americas. Origins of cultivating. Chili peppers have been traced to East Central Mexico, some 6,000 years ago. To show the grinding capability of MAX for garbage disposal, today I will grind the red chilies one by one. The average length of red chilies is about 5 inches. Let's grind the red chilies. As we know, onion skins, celery stalks, and grape stems should never be put in a disposal due to their clogging abilities or potential to damage the disposal plates.